We made it on the plane. There's no baby this flight. We made it to Koh Phi Airport. The flight wasn't that bad. It was a little bit rough, but we made it through. This place really makes me feel very beachy, so that means we're getting wasted tonight. We're taking taxi to the pier, and it costs us 200 baht Thai for 3 of us. It takes 30 minutes to get to the pier, and then we're taking ferry. We are taking the ferry from the pier to Phi Phi Island. It takes 2 hours and it is 450 baht per person. It doesn't run all day, but if it's speedboat Thai people, only 700. It takes you 45 minutes, but if it's foreigner, it's 1,000 baht Thai. So we calculated it, and we would get there an hour 15 minutes early, but we're in no rush, and round trip would have costed us maybe 800 baht Thai difference. So we made it to the hotel. The steps were pretty tricky, but we made it. There are 3 suitcases and 3 backpacks, so we struggled. How was the steps?
Easy.
Wow. ขึ้นบันไดไปไงมั่งง่ายไหมชิวๆดูจากหน้าดิ We got our supplies for the day. Got food, and CJ got Shang and 1 Leo for our driver.
Big bag of beer.
We are ready to go. We have 8 hours on the boat today. The price is usually 3,000 for 2 people for 6 hours. Our bargaining skill is not really the best, but we did our best. So 3 people, we got it for 4,000 for 8 hours, so until 7. From 11 a.m. until 7 p.m. after sunset.
Right now we are on Koh Phi Phi Lee, right?
Koh Phi Phi Lee, yes.
Koh Phi Phi Lee at Maya Beach, where the movie The Beach was filmed with Leonardo DiCaprio. You're no longer allowed to swim here because people were leaving too much trash and stuff behind. It was closed for like 3 or 4 years.
We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach over there. Under the water, there's a beautiful coral. 3, 2, what? We're at Phi Phi Lee. There's nothing to do under the water. And we're here at Maya Bay. We paid for the entrance, it's 400 for a foreigner and 40 baht Thai for a Thai person. CJ thinks it's unfair. I think it's fair. So CJ climbed up this rock and there's a staff blowing a whistle. So I guess you can only take a picture along the beach and that's it. CJ thought we saw a shark. It was a fake shark. It was a shadow.
I did see a shark.
This place is priceless. This is gorgeous. Going back to the boat now. My suggestion is if you want to come when there's no one or not many people, you should come in the PM because we got here around 11 and it was so packed. If you are a person that hate people, come in the PM.
Well, there's way less people, way fewer people.
The food in your mouth and that's all. I love shorturl, I love chicken breast.
Love 7-Eleven chicken breast. Really good. So we have a situation. CJ tried to fly drone, but it accidentally hit the back of the tail, so it dropped in the water. It was like 15 seconds in the water, and then I picked it up, and he didn't rinse it with water. So by now, salt water probably ate all the battery or the metal. There's probably not gonna be any drone footages, so don't be mad. We'll come up with better solution and we will make sure you get to see over in the sky how beautiful the mountains are. So far, I'm trying to calm CJ down. He's got his shang to cheer him up, so I think we should be good to go in 5 minutes. 5 days. Hopefully it's not 5 days. Here's the end of our Phi Phi video. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the views as much as we do. CJ did see a shark. I was just making fun of him, but it was just a couple seconds and then the shark was gone. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any food or any views from Thailand. And I will see you next video. Thank you for watching again. Bye bye.